Alright, today on Repairs 101, hot tips for using a traditional wood-burning fireplace. If it's cold outside but you still want to hang out, check out this product from our sponsor, Princess Auto. Have a professional chimney swift inspect your fireplace and chimney before you use it for the first time. I did just that 24 years ago when we moved in, and he advised that I brick in the opening of the ash pit. So I did. Have a fire extinguisher handy, and get yours at Princess Auto. Okay, so you'll need a means of lighting a fire. You need a whisk and a trowel of some kind to clean up the ash, a spark arresting screen, and of course my dog's favorite prehistoric tool, a stick. If you prepare your own wood, you'll want to have an axe, a bigger axe, a splitting maul, and the lumberman's secret weapon, a mallet with nylon wedges. And just in case I wasn't clear, make sure you have firefighting equipment at every exit in your home. Use dried hardwood for the cleanest burning and highest BTU value. Fresh cut hardwood dries at a rate of about 2 inches of radius per year. So these 14-inch pieces would take 3.5 years to get dried to the center. So you want to split your firewood into 4-inch pieces or thereabouts so it'll dry within 1 year. If you move it inside, it'll dry a lot quicker. You can make your own kindling like I do here and avoid using newspaper as a fire starter. There will be a lever or a chain to open and close the damper. Make sure it's open. Stick your head in there with a flashlight. It used to be we would take a mirror like this and shove it up into the flue. Let's see if I can get a shot of this. Oh. So I'd shove it up into the flue like this until I could see. There, can you see that? Failing to open the damper will result in a black stain that cannot be cleaned off. Some people will leave ash in the fireplace to, well, I don't know, I guess they think it's going to help. But you want to clear it all out to provide maximum ventilation. I generate a lot of cedar shavings making kitchen utensils, and I save the debris for fire starter. With the damper open, prime the draft using a newspaper torch. Make sure the smoke from the paper is going up the flue. Otherwise, you'll need to open a door or even two and maybe some windows to equalize the indoor barometric pressure with the pressure outdoors. Now never build a giant teepee log cabin structure inside your fireplace and then set it ablaze, okay? Start small, add wood gradually, and maintain control over the flame and the heat. Enjoy.